Hello students, welcome to the video. In the last videos, we had a discussion over multiplication, addition and subtraction on polynomials. Today, in this video, we will talk about
division of monomial by a monomial and division of polynomial by a monomial.
In this question, it is said that divide 2x to the power 5 by x square. We will solve it first by expanded method. That is, we will write it in this way: 2x to the power 5 divided by x square. That means we can write it 2x to the power 5 divided by x square. That equal to 2. So x to the power 5 means the x is multiplied 5 times. That is x into x into x into x into x. Now here x square means x into x. Now so this x and this x will be cancelled. So what is left? 2 into 1, 2, 3. X to the power 3. Okay, if we solve it by exponent method, now we can write it as 2x to the power 5 by x square. See, this is x to the power 5, this is x to the power 2. 5, 2. Obviously 5 is greater than 2. Okay. Therefore, we can write it as x to the power 5 minus 2. So that is equals to 2 into x to the power. The question is divide 5x square y cube by 2xy square. So let us write it in this way. Now this is 5x into x, y into y into y divided by 2 into x, y into y. Okay. Now x and x will get cancelled, y will get cancelled. So it will be, now we cannot divide 5 by 2, so it will be as it is. So in the numerator there is x and y. There is x and y in the denominator. There is nothing except 2. If we solve it in exponent way square, see, so 5 and 2, so it will be as it is. Now x square, so x to the power 2, and in the denominator here x to the power 1. So this one will be subtracted. So the power of x in the numerator will subtract the power of x in the denominator. Similarly, the power of y in the numerator, that is 3, will subtract the power of y in the denominator, that is 2. That equal to 5 by 2 x y, because 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Divide 2x to the power 10 by x cube. So will you write x to the power 10, that means will you write x 10 times, or if it is x to the power suppose 20, x to the power 25, then will you write x 20 times or 25 times? Obviously not. That is why it is better to use exponent method. So let us solve this by exponent method. So 2 into x to the power 10 divided by x cube. So easily we can say that 2 into x to the power 10 minus 3, that is 2 into x to the power 7, and this is the answer. Let's go for this problem. Here divide 9x square by 3x to the power 5. So let us expand. First of all, it is 3. So 3 into x divided by, x to the power 5, it is x. So 5x are here. So these two will be cancelled. So it is in the numerator there is nothing except 3, and in the denominator there are 3x. That is why it will be x cube. Now if we solve it, if we go for the exponent method, so here because the power of x in the numerator is 2 and the power of x in the denominator is 5, and obviously 5 is greater than 2, therefore the calculation means the subtraction process will be done in the denominator. So it is obviously 3. So 3 by x to the power, because 5 is greater than 2, so we will write 5 minus 2. So it will be 3 by x to the power 3, and it was the answer previously. Simplify 40 p cube q cube r to the power 5 divided by 10 p cube q. So this is 10, this is 40, obviously it is 4, let us write it 4, and p to the power, this is 3 and this is 3. So this p cube, this is p cube, so this will be cancelled, and this is q cube and this is q to the power 1. So there is nothing to do with p. So let us write q to the power 3 minus 1, and here is no r, therefore r to the power 5 will be remained. So this is 4 into q square into r to the power 5, and this is the answer.
Let's go for division of polynomial by monomial.
Let's move to some examples. Here in this question, divide 9x cube minus 3x square by 3x. Here it is a polynomial, it is a monomial. So let us split this. 9x cube divided by 3x minus, so there is minus, so this minus will come over here, 3x square by 3x. As we know that a plus b divided by c equals to a by c plus b by c. So this theory has been applied over here. Now this 3 and this 9, this is 3, so and this is x cube and this is x. Because 3 is greater than 1, as the power of x in the numerator is obviously greater than the power of x in the denominator, that is why this 3 will subtract this 1. So this 3 is here, and this is x to the power 3 minus 1, and here this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled, and minus x to the power 2 minus 1. This is 3x square minus x, that is the answer. Here divide 5x cube y square plus 25x square y cube minus 36 x to the power 4 y to the power 4 by 5x square y square. Here this is a polynomial, this is a monomial. So we will split it like 15x cube y square divided by 5x square y square. This plus will come here, so 25 x square y cube divided by 5 x square y square. This minus will come here, 36 x to the power 4 y to the power 4 divided by 5 x square y square. Now next what? So these coefficients will be divided, that is 15 by 5 is 3, this is 5, this is, so 36 cannot be divided by 5, so let it be as it is. X, now this is 3, this is 2, so this will be 3 minus 2. This is y square, this is y square, they will be cancelled like this. Plus, this is 5, so let us write 5. Now this is x square, this is x square, so they will be cancelled. Now y to the power 3 and y to the power 2, so y to the power 3 minus 2. Minus this is 36 by 5, so as we cannot divide, so this is 36 by 5. Now this is x to the power 4 and this is x square, x to the power 4 minus 2. Similarly y to the power 4 minus 2, so it is 3x to the power 1, that is x, plus 5 y to the power 1, that is y, minus 36 by 5 x to the power 4 minus 2, that is x square, y to the power 4 minus 2, that is y square, and this is the answer. Hope you have understood. In the next video we shall discuss on some more problems regarding division. Thank you for watching this video.